Alright, here we have a Junction 7 railroad crossing in Jeremiah, Kentucky. So the first signal here is a base. It's a gayless signal. It's got a modern industries base. Here we have CSX emergency information. So DUN number is 34625235T. The MAD lights are all WRS 8-inch lights. They're all incandescent. I'll show you real quick. As you can see, WRS. And the bell is a WRS mechanical bell. Right down there is second signal. Let me go wait. Okay, now it's gone, so I have to cross. So the second signal is called unknown cantilever. It's federal signal, I believe. It's really unknown, as you can see. We have another CSX emergency information. And here I have another WRS 8-inch lights. And we have the crossbuck. He's got paint. See, the one paint's come off right there. And the overhead lights are front are WRS 8-inch lights. Right down there is the relay case. As you can see right there's a signal. It's torched to LHS drive. See here's a WRS mechanical bell and WRS 8-inch light. And there's a pathway. It's torched to ISM. Hit down there. It's torched to the Blackie. So yeah. Let me go back over here so you can see the signals real quick. So here, oh, I can't even see the lights. Let me be careful of the neighbors now. So here we have a Junction 7 railroad crossing in Jeremiah, Kentucky. Over and out.